So the first thing I'm going to talk about is the long-awaited #1 request that Ableton has had for a really long time, and that is what they call comping. So vocal comping or comping is something you see in a lot of other software that's designed for recording in the studio. But basically, you insert an audio track, loop a section, right-click, loop a section, and if I set it to record, if I'm recording this section, there we go. When it's done, it kind of goes back to the beginning and starts recording, right? But when we have something called, in this case, we call them take lanes, we can open up the take lanes. And every time I record, it records a new take lane. So I have one loop, but it's making more and more takes as I go. It's just automatically doing it. So when I'm done with that, I have all of those separate takes and I can choose which part of the take that I like. This saves a ton of time editing. So in this instance, we've got this one sound, and let's say I had liked this beginning, I select it, hit enter. I like this part, enter, that part, enter, or this one. And I'm just quickly switching things up to get the take that I want. And then when I'm done, I just get rid of showing the takes and it's all there. It's only one track. And if I ever want to go back, I just show all those takes again. So I just showed basically how you would normally use comping. But you can also do this in really interesting ways by adding your own samples. So as an example, so what's happening here is, let me hide the lanes. I basically created a bunch of lanes, threw in a bunch of samples, and then I can select enter and kind of really easily remix and put together these different samples into one track. We just have a beat. I'm going to insert an audio track. Dubstep. Okay, so we got some bass loops, and I'm just going to drag one in here. So once I have it there, I can actually right-click and show take lanes. So I keep putting in new bass sounds, keep inserting these different ones, different versions. Once I have a whole bunch in here, then I can use the take lanes like before, where I could select a thing, hit enter, select this part, hit enter, select this, hit enter. So now we're starting to build. I can quickly start remixing this. And one thing that makes this even faster is using the draw tool. So the draw tool up at the top, I select this. Now I can just really quickly come in here and start changing. So you can see now that all those samples are in there, super fluid and fast. Think about doing this with drums. 5, 10 different drum takes, different drum samples, put on that draw tool under the takes, select a bunch, switch them around, and bam, all of a sudden you have a whole new kind of drum pattern.